repeated addition. Read, count, and write the numbers in each row. Count the flags. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 flags and 2 flags and 2 flags with each child. Count the children. 1, 2, 3. 3 children in all. 3 children have 2 flags each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have 6 flags in all. Count the leaves. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 leaves, and 3 leaves, and 3 leaves in each potted plant. Count the potted plants. 1, 2, 3. 3 potted plants in all. 3 leaves each, on 3 potted plants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 leaves in all.